Hey everybody, welcome to the ROI Hacks channel. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to link a Twitter account to a Facebook page. This is really useful if you are both active on your Facebook and on your Twitter account. Then you can easily drive people from your Facebook page to your Twitter account so people can follow your content there as well. This is just going to be a quick video tutorial, so if you want to get more details about linking your Twitter account to a Facebook, check out our comprehensive blog post on 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞 where we also show you with screenshots how this process is done, and you can also find hundreds of tutorials on social media marketing and Facebook marketing in general. Links to this video, the blog post and free resources can be found in the description below. One more thing before the tutorial. If you want to get more Facebook page followers, more organic reach without running Facebook ads, then check out our Facebook page growth checklist that you can download from our website 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞 since we are giving it away for free. Links to the 50-point checklist in the description below. So if you have a new classic Facebook page, then this is the process of how you can link a Twitter account to a Facebook page. If your Facebook page is already switched to the new Facebook page experience, don't worry. We're going to show you the process of linking Twitter to Facebook page as well. But first, let's see how it's done with a classic Facebook page. So all you have to do is open the Facebook page, scroll down to this About section and click on this Edit Page Info button. You can also click on Edit Page Info here, by the way. And then here, when this window pops up, click More and scroll down to Other Accounts. And here's where you can add social accounts to your Facebook page. So these accounts will show up in this About section, and this is kind of top of the page when a Facebook page visitor opens the page. So all you have to do is search for Twitter here and add the name of your Twitter account. Let's do this right now. So add test account here and add, of course, the name of your Twitter account, Twitter, and that's it. And now, as you can see, with a nice Twitter icon, the account shows up, and if someone is looking at this Facebook page as a visitor, it will be a clickable link, so people can go to your Twitter account and follow you there. So this is how it's done if you have a classic Facebook page. However, if you have a new Facebook page, so you have this Switch Now button here, this means that you are using the new Facebook page experience. Then the process is also simple, but a little bit different. Let's see how it's done. So you have to just click on the Switch Now button here. So now you're using Facebook as a Facebook page, and if you are an admin, you can add the Twitter account to your Facebook page to this intro section here. All you have to do is click on this Edit Details button and then click on this pencil icon. And here you can see, as you can see, you can add a social link. Click on this button, click one more time and select Twitter and add your account name and click on Save. And this will also show up as a clickable link on your Facebook page. Before we would wrap up, just make sure to check out our free Facebook page growth checklist, so you can get the 50 checkpoints we use every time to 10x the number of followers of any Facebook page. We are planning to charge money for this checklist in the future, so get it now for free until you can. You can get the checklist by clicking in the description below or search on Google for roihacks.com and add the query Facebook page growth checklist spreadsheet. Also, if you want to learn more about setting up, managing, growing a Facebook page, make sure to check out our Facebook page tutorial YouTube playlist that you can see on the screen here. See you next time.